guys!
Hi guys!
How are you? Hope you're doing well. So welcome back to Sandhu family vlog. So today our vlog gonna be as a Maya toys review. Yeah, we are very happy because just look at that, this big old giant box we received yesterday evening from the delivery man. And guess what we received? We received a giant box.
You mean
Barbie box.
the delivery man sent Shaq to me, not today.
Yeah, we was really excited yesterday and really surprised. First time we received toys. One of the companies sent us toy. It's really made our evening. And especially Maya very likes Barbie and made our evening because she's at this moment really sick, and she was really very happy to receive this such a beautiful doll.
Now let's open it.
So let's go and check it out.
Let's go open it actually.
Yeah.
Baby.
Okay, I think we need a scissor. Okay, so let's open it. Maya already take off the sticker.
Babe.
And yeah, just look at that. I'll show you close up. Just look at that. It's a Barbie rescue. Barbie to the rescue. It's a animal rescue. Yeah, called animal
Yeah,
rescue.
it's kind of see the shop.
Yeah. Such a beautiful.
So put it aside, okay? Maya, are you happy?
Okay guys, just look at that, how it looks. Our Barbie rescue, Barbie to the rescue, yeah, or how it's called. And look at that, such a beautiful, look how it's cute. It's really nice. Okay, first of all we're gonna check Barbie. I can say it's really strong Barbie, yeah. And this Barbie, it's so cool, it's so nice. Her hair, it's really soft, and she's a animal doctor, yeah.
Yep, but the Barbie needs the slug don't eat people.
Yeah.
But it's for when we
It's so
play.
cute outfit.
But this is a suitcase, but pretend this is a bath for the animal.
Lovely cute t-shirt, pink, and she wears shorts, jeans shorts, and cute boots. It's really nice, very stylish doctor, yeah. Here you go. Next one is such a cute basket, and in this include, look, such a beautiful two small bottles, and this pink, yeah. So it's a to feed, might be this cute rabbit. We got as well two of them, two rabbit. It's like mom and daughter. Yeah. Okay, after we got very cute fox. Yeah, foxy. Then we got, what this name?
A deer.
A deer, yeah. Just look at that. It's really toys, it's really strong made. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a rabbit food. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Then we got this house. Yeah.
Then these.
It looks like a shop inside. They're all medication or food necessary. Okay. Then we got tree house. Yeah. And just look at that. What's inside? Doo-doo, so cute. What's called this? Two little
Birds.
owl.
No.
Owl. Yeah.
I want this bird.
Yeah, such a cute.
No.
And then
It's not.
then we got, look. It's a looks like way.
Yeah, look.
Three-way.
Look.
What's called this?
A squirrel.
Squirrel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look. A Barbie can go
Such
up.
a cute. Look, such a cutie. Hey,
Yeah.
where are you?
Yeah, Barbie
Such a
can.
cutie, look at that.
Yeah, Barbie can go up now.
Yeah, such a cute thing.
To
Toys.
get the birds. Is it now? Barbie can go get the birds because she can't reach.
Yeah, okay, put it in the place. Toys. Maya was really excited, and yesterday evening really made the postman, because when I got the box I saw the name and I think I really doesn't bought it, didn't order it anything at all, and my husband as well. After I found the letter inside the box, and when I read it, was really happy that one of the companies sent us a toy. And that backdrop is really nice. It looks really realistic also as well. So yeah, that's how it looks. Our Barbie to the rescue.
Look at the black.
Maya, what's the name of your Barbie? What
I-
name?
I did a thing.
How did you call her? It's a Annabelle?
Yep, but I did a.
Could be Annabelle? Yeah? Or Anna?
Anna.
Anna. Okay, nice to meet you, Anna. Anna eyes, it's very beautiful.
Anna Barbie.
Yeah.
This is Anna Barbie.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching our A Barbie to the Rescue review. Yeah? It's such a cool, such a nice toys. It's really strong made. And yeah, so my very happy, and now she will be busy. Yeah, I remember that when she was might be 1.5, 2 years old, she doesn't like any Barbie, any doll. When she saw it, she started to cry, and now after 2 years later, she became very friend with the Barbie. Yeah, now she very like to play with. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, once again, and see you in the next video. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, bye.